Welcome to GDS Education. Today we are going to stress on a major topic in every manufacturing industry, that is QRM, Quick Response Manufacturing. You may be thinking that QRM is another 3 letters acronym or another 3 letters buzzword. You may be thinking that you have learned about just-in-time philosophy, you have learned about total quality management and also some re-engineering processes. Yet why I need to learn about QRM? So I have been interviewed many industrialists and as well as managers of different manufacturing sectors. So the major concern for them was to cut the lead time and to reach their products much more faster to their consumers. So this was a major problem that they were facing. So here comes a picture of the QRM. So firstly, why QRM? So due to the upgradation of technology, and this they had led to impatient customers. So they want products to be much more deliver faster with more features and better quality and reduced size. So in order to achieve this, we need to implement the QRM. So the basic difference between just-in-time and QRM is the just-in-time majorly concentrates on how do you reduce the lead times, improve the quality, reduce the cost for a particular period of time. So the impact is very less. So it lasts only for a particular period of time. But the QRM, Quick Response Manufacturing, majorly concerned about the how do you cut your lead time by 70% and also how do you reach your product much more faster to your customers and gain the loyalty and as well as retention of the customers. So the impact of QRM lasts for a longer period of time throughout your business in the company. So one who is working in any manufacturing industry, whether it may be manager or the senior manager or the operator, should have a knowledge of quick response manufacturing in order to gain the new customers and retention the old customers, so that you can deliver your products to them in a shorter lead time. If you want further information about this, please contact my number below and also subscribe to my channel. Hope you have understood. Thank you one and all.